Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Adi here. So today we are going to deep dive into. Okay, so you must have know this ringtone, right, or this sound. You are familiar to this sound, right? So yes, we are talking about WhatsApp. So today we are going to deep dive into WhatsApp, how it works, and how your data is safe or not. We'll just check how it flows actually. So before the video started, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's the video get started. Okay, so let's first understand how your SMS or text message works in WhatsApp. Okay, so let's say you are here as the sender, and you are sending the message to the receiver, or receiver is here. So once you send a message from your mobile, it's stored in your local memory, phone memory. Okay, similarly, once the receiver gets the message, it will be stored in their phone memory. So most of you must have been the understanding, like it will be sent from your phone memory directly to the receiver phone memory through your internet connection, right? Like something like this, bidirectional. But I'm sorry to say, but this understanding is not correct. This is not how WhatsApp works. So it is important to know how our data being stored and how secure it is. So let's understand actually how it works. So once you send a message, right, so what will happen, it will store in a server. So let's call it a WhatsApp server. It will store in the WhatsApp server, and it will be in a message queue. So it will be multiple, if you send multiple message, it will be in queue. So once you send the message to the server, right, it will be, you can see the single tick in your WhatsApp, right? So let's say the receiver internet is down or is turned up. So that means it will be in the queue and in single tick until and unless the internet is up for the receiver. So once the internet is up for the receiver, then they will get the message. So as soon as the message is delivered to the receiver WhatsApp, it will be stored in their phone memory, and your message will be deleted from the server. So this is one of the important points, that your message will not be in the server anymore once it is delivered. Till the time it is not delivered, it will be in the server. So once it is delivered, then you can see, once the receiver sees the message, then it will be double tick. So this is how actually WhatsApp works. So it works as a server client model. So there is one server and your client is your sender and your receiver WhatsApp. So it works like this. So once it is delivered and the message is delivered to the receiver, it is deleted from the server memory. So it will be no more. So this is how your text message in WhatsApp works. So how your image and your video and all those multimedia works, let's understand that one. It will be more like similar, but there is a little bit of change how it works. So let's understand that one. So here also similar case. So you are the sender and the receiver is here. So in this case, if you see in the text message, it is sending to a server directly, and from there it is getting delivered to a receiver. But here, so if you send an image or video, so what happens, there is an HTTP server which is different from your WhatsApp server or the server you have seen in the last section. So once you send an image or multimedia file, right, it will be stored in your HTTP server, and you will get one response like your hash ID or unique ID, some unique ID related to that image. Okay, so your image or video will be stored in the HTTP server. Instead of the file, you will get some ID. Then what happens, you send that ID to the server. Similarly, like your text message, it will automatically send in the background, and it will be in the queue. And as soon as your receiver internet is up, or it will be get delivered to them as a thumbnail. So if you see in WhatsApp, whenever you get an image or your video, any multimedia file, it will always be a thumbnail. So it will never be directly downloaded to your phone until unless you automatically download. I mean, you have the option of automatic download. So it will show you as a thumbnail. Okay, so once you click on it to see, then only it will be downloaded from your HTTP server where it is being stored, and it will show to you. If you ignore that one, then it will never be downloaded to your mobile and it will be still in the HTTP server. So it is bit bit change from your text message. It's only that the files are being stored in a separate server. So I hope this one is also clear for you, how your multimedia also works in WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you like this analysis on WhatsApp, how it works. So I think you are clear how safe is your data and how it work on multimedia and text messages. So if you want more detailed, like technical, what is the language is used, what are the database and all those things, please comment in the section, so I'll make a detailed video on that. So please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll bring such videos in the future also. So thank you everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.